why event is so important in your marketing strategy. So marketing, I think you have done a lot of different marketing before. So you may have tried like pay ads, you may have tried social media, you may have tried EDM. All those kind of marketing we call push marketing. So push marketing is not that effective because you're trying to push the content to your audience. And usually sometimes your audience might not want to see it or they're not attracted to it. But events is actually a pull marketing. So what's that mean is actually you try to pull the audience to you instead of pushing to them. There's two elements why it's a pull marketing is very effective as an event. The first one is on the content. So because in event usually you will have great content or it's just trend, as a great speaker talking about a topic that people want to learn about. So that's why it pulls people in to come to the event. And the second part is about the people. At event there will be a lot of people, no matter virtual or in-person events. You will be able to meet your people or peers in your industry. It could be, let's say, HR Summit, you will meet a lot of HR people there. And you will learn from their best practice. You exchange ideas. You can also learn and build your own network through events. So that's also why event is a really good pull marketing. So people really want to go to. If you put up an event for your industry, they will want to come and register instead of you need to push it to them. And at event, there's another benefit. We call it a two-way relationship building. So because at event, usually at luncheon or networking, drinks or different kind of event, you actually will have a chit-chat time. So you may talk about personal stuff, family, personal hobbies, different kind of topic. It really helps to deepen the relationship instead of just talk about work. And that deepen of relationship and trust would help you to really build a relationship with them. If you have a service or product that you really want to advocate or sell, they will tell you the real reason why they're buying it or not buying it, and so that you can help them to remove the obstacles. So that is why in terms of event, it's so effective in marketing and also help you to build your sales pipeline.